The next part of Unit 11 that we are going to complete is on page number 95, a poem on rain. So let us look at this beautiful video and enjoy the poem. How beautiful is the rain after the dust and heat in the broad and fiery street, in the narrow lane. How beautiful is the rain. How it clatters along the roofs like the tramp of hoofs. How it gushes and struggles out from the throat of the overflowing spout. Across the window pane, it pours and pours, and swift and wide with a muddy tide, like a river down the cutter's row. The rain, the welcome rain. H. W. Longfellow is the poet of this poem. These are a few word meanings that you have to copy down in your notebook and you have to study. It may come for your exam. So let me now explain to you the poem. Before I explain you the poem, I would like to give you a few information about the poet. H. W. Longfellow, that is Henry Wadsworth Longfellow, was a very popular American poet. Many of his poems are simple and talk about things we encounter every day. So he used to write poems that about things that we experience day in day out. In this poem, Mr. Longfellow is describing the rain. He is describing the sounds and movements of the rain. He welcomes the rain after the hot and dusty summer months. So in this poem, we are going to experience and enjoy how the poet is explaining his encounter of rain after scorching summer season. We all know that how summer season are, how difficult it is to manage in the scorching heat of summer. And after summer season, when monsoon arrives, it is very beautiful. So here the poet is also telling us his experience about the rain he experienced after the scorching heat of summer season. How beautiful is the rain after the dusk and heat, in the broad and fiery street, in the narrow lane, how beautiful is the rain. So what the poet is saying? The poet is saying that how beautiful is the rain. After all the dust and heat of the summer season, the rain looks very beautiful. The rain is beautiful in the broad and fiery street, broad and burning with heat street, burning and busy street. The rain is beautiful in that street. Also the rain is beautiful in narrow lanes. दोनों बड़े रोड पर और छोटी छोटी गलियों में दोनों जगहों पर जो है रेन जो है हमें ब्यूटीफुल दिखता है. How it clatters along the roofs like the tramps of hoops. How it gushes and struggles out from the throat of the overflowing spout. Here, the poet is trying to tell us the sound of the rain. Clatters means the sound the rain creates when it falls on the roof. जब छत पे बारिश गिरती है तो कैसी आवाज़ आती है? It is like the tramp of hooves. Tramp of, like how the horse it runs. What sound it makes when the horse gallops. How the sound is created. That sound Vicky is trying to connect and describe with the rain. So जब रेन गिरता है हमें ऐसा लगता है कि कोई हॉर्स या कोई गोट जो है दौड़ रहा है, वैसे हमें आवाज़ आती है. And how it gushes and struggles out from the throat of the overflowing spout, and how the rain is trying to, when it falls on the roof, how through the pipes on the roof, when the pipes are connected, हाउ विथ ही स्ट्रगलिंग मीन्स मेहनत करके वो जो है पानी वो पाइप के दूसरे एंड से जो है गश करके निकल रहा है, यानी ही इज स्ट्रगलिंग टू कम आउट, the water is struggling to come from the throat and to the overflowing spout. So here the poet is just describing how he sees the rain. He's saying that the rain is very beautiful in the big street also and in the narrow lane also. He's also describing the sound of the rain when it falls on the roofs, and he's also seeing that how the rain water is gushing out with full force out of the pipe. Across the window pane it pours and pours. The poet is saying that across the window pane, through the window we can see that how the rain is pouring and pouring, just water is just coming down and down, swift and wide. The water is pouring through the window pane, swift and wide, with full force, with a muddy tide like a river down the gutters road. And when the water from the roofs, when it's struggling to come out of the pipe, it meets with the mud water that is flowing down. You must have seen that how the water, the rain water, looks outside your building or on a ground, an open ground. It looks like a full mud water, full small puddles, they form. So here also the poet is trying to describe us that when the water from the roofs flows down through the pipe, it with full force it meets the mud, and it looks like a river, a muddy tide, a muddy river is flowing through the gutters. And then we say that the rain is welcome, and is welcoming the rain, he is welcoming the rainy season after the summer season. So students, I hope you understood this beautiful poem. You have to read this poem loud and clear at home, and also you have to note down the word meanings which was shown to you earlier in this video in your notebook. Thank you.